If your auto windscreen wiping warning suddenly appears on the dashboard, don't panic, because most of the time, the problem is something simple. And before you spend money replacing parts, there are a few easy things you should try first. Sometimes, the system just stops working because the windshield sensor area is dirty. So first, clean the windshield carefully, especially around the rearview mirror area where the rain sensor usually sits. Even dust, water marks, or old glass cleaner residue can confuse the system and trigger the warning. Next, turn the wipers off completely, shut the car down, wait a minute, then restart it. A lot of times, the system resets itself after a clean restart. If the warning is still there, check if the windshield was recently replaced. Because if the rain sensor isn't attached properly to the glass, the auto wiping feature may stop working correctly. Also make sure nothing is covering the sensor area from inside the vehicle, like stickers, dash cameras, or hanging accessories near the mirror. And here's another simple thing many people miss. Low battery voltage can sometimes affect automatic systems like auto wipers, especially during cold weather or after the battery was disconnected. So if the battery has been weak lately, that could also be part of the problem. After trying these steps, take the car for a short drive and test the wipers again. In many cases, the warning disappears on its own once the system detects everything is working normally again. But if the warning keeps coming back, then the rain sensor or wiper control module may need proper inspection. If the auto windscreen wiping warning is still on after trying these steps, comment your car's year, make, model, and what symptoms you're noticing. I'll try to help you figure it out, and point you in the right direction.